Hi everybody, welcome. Welcome to learning how to make a short video using Canva, adding some elements from other sources. So this is a short video I made here. If you see here, there are some scenes. I took all the media from Biosphere 2, pictures and videos, and I put it together here, adding one extra element, which was this person who is a 3D um, 3D element. So let's take a short look at what it looks like. Let's press play. So I started with a title image, introducing the video. I added this animation of a person slash thing looking at the pictures and videos that I took from Biosphere 2 in a tour I had the other day. So how do you make something like this to put like this image on top of a video you recorded? Okay, so what you have to do is, well, first create a Canva account. I took this character from Paint 3D. Many of us have Paint 3D. So I came here and I just looked at 3D shapes, and they have different models. So I took the model of a woman. In this woman, you can move her around with this little button. So you can download it looking to the front. You can download it looking to the back. And what you do is you go to menu. In menu, you download as save as image. And it's gonna give you an option of PNG. PNG is the type of image you want. And you have to choose transparency. So whenever you use this picture, all of this will be the background of the other picture you want to put the character on. So you save it like that. See, I have the images saved, but the background is transparent. And then you go to Canva, right? Canva is the place you wanna work in. This is the home version of Canva. When you download the app, or when you look at Canva for the first time, it's gonna look like this. So it's gonna give you an opportunity to shoot video, or you can just Google video. Video. So you can create a blank video or use a different background, but to use the images I shot at the Biosphere, the field trip I took, I'm gonna just use a blank one, and I'm gonna upload them here. I already clicked on upload media, so I uploaded some images and I uploaded my character. So if you put a upload media, you can go to the characters. This is the one I just made. And it's gonna show here. What do you do to put images as the background? You just drag them and right click, set image as background, or you can stretch it out. And after that, you can add the character wherever you want and adjust the size. You click here and you can make it turn around. Well, that button works like that. It's kind of slow because my computer is like very slow. But you can move it around to different places. Click on it and drag it. And you can add more scenes. So in this second scene, I'm gonna add this picture, use it as background, and I'm gonna upload the character here, so on and so forth. So when you press play, it's gonna show the image. You can, if you come here, it's gonna say this one is 5 seconds, but you can make it longer. You just move it on top of this side, and when you get that arrow, you can stretch it out or make it smaller. See? If you want to add audio, again, you use upload media, and the images are gonna be here, videos here, and audio here. So if I wanna add some sci-fi, I just drop it in there. And the same, I stretch it out using the arrows, right? Well, let me just, you play with it. You have to play with it to stretch it out. It's just click and drag, as I can see. So this is how you do it. Thank you.